Hello guys, it's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. First time to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. This channel is in the business of making you a better version of yourself in all ramifications. All our content seeks to make you better and better on a daily basis. So if personal development is something that you find interesting, I invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my subsequent uploads. And to my subscribers and viewers from all the nooks and crannies of the world, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing videomind.org. Videomind.org, very troublesome website to interact with. That's why I left it till now. You can see how buggy the website is. Very buggy, always seeking to redirect you to another place. And when you click on cancel, like you see a pop-up on my screen now, where you click on cancel or more, it's coming up with another bug and all that. So the programmers and the people behind VIDEOMINE are, trying to make a lot of money from adverts and clicks. So I'm clicking cancel now. It's going to come up with something else, another cancel. Let us look at their about us section, okay, so that we can read about them. Okay, that's another pop-up. Different adverts on the site. We're scrolling. We want to read about us. Okay, so say VIDEOMINE technology is an innovative creation that brings into existence two different programs on the same software. There's another pop-up on my screen. It gives users the option to choose either participating as a single or participating as a group. Okay, is it participating as an affiliate, single individual? When the user registers as an affiliate, he or she registers on an individual plan, meaning that he participates alone and gets paid into his account instantly. The following activities are involved: registration fee 2,000, registration bonus 1,000, referral bonus 1,400, daily visits 100 naira, video watching 150 naira, viral video posts 200 naira. Then they have the skills center for learning new skills. They say as an affiliate, you get to apply for your earnings twice weekly and get paid instantly. Okay, now, so this website is telling you that you get paid, you register as an affiliate, and you get paid referral bonus, okay, daily login, you get paid for it. When you watch videos, you get paid as well. Viral video posts, like you have to share some videos on your social media, you get paid for it as well. Then they also have participating as a team. Okay, if a user registers under this package, the following activities will be involved. The user cashes out 10,000 naira always immediately his cycle or group is completed. Okay, the user withdraws 1,500 naira into his bank account always immediately any of his direct group member completes a cycle. The more direct downlines you have, the more your chances of earning and withdrawing 1,500 from them completing each cycle. The user gets to win amazing incentive prizes such as iPhones, laptops, home theater on reaching certain cycle goals. After a user cycle is completed and he withdraws 10,000, for the user to move to the next cycle, he needs to resubscribe and move to the next cycle. Registration and resubscription fee is 2,000 naira only. Okay, yeah, they have other benefits attached to their MLM group structure and all that. Okay, so registering as an individual, the first one I presume is the one where you just put in your money and you work alone. Like the investor kind of thing. Okay, you're not building teams, you just want to go in alone and all that, while the networkers are the ones who get to, you know, build their structure, their genealogy, referring people and earning the rest of these bonuses. So the website is videomind.org, as you can see. As you can see circled there, videomind.org is the website. So before I react to this website, this is about us. This is the about us section, and that is all they have to say about them. That is all they have to say about them. There is nothing else about them. In their about us section, they are only telling us what they do and how their plan works. Okay, I have looked at this website critically because it's buggy. Before I switched on the record, I looked at the website very well. Okay, now very quickly, you see, when you want to subscribe, you get activation codes. There you get activation codes. They have some contacts from whom you can buy these vouchers and you get activated. Okay, I want to look at the contact us section of this website. Let us see how we can contact the people that are behind VIDEOMINE. Okay, you see, the website is full of adverts. I believe that they make some money from, you know, these adverts and these pop-ups. Okay, so here you can see that, you know, there is a phone number there, there's a Telegram channel, there's a Facebook channel, and I have a YouTube channel as well. That's how to contact them. Now let me counterpunch and react to this website very quickly. First of all, the first thing that I have observed is that this business opportunity or this website is very new. Let me look at their what their whois is telling me. Now their whois is telling me that this website, you know, was registered October the 22nd, 2021. That's just as at the time of making this video. That's very like 2 months ago. So it is very new, very brand new. And, you know, they hosted it for a year. Okay, it expires next year. Now, I don't want to be a prophet of doom, and I'm not saying that this is always accurate, but when a new website comes up like this and they are hosting it for a year, does it mean that they don't intend to stay around for too long? I mean, why are you paying for 1 year? I don't know why they paid for 1 year, but if I did not see any other red flags, I probably wouldn't have been paying attention to this. But the other red flags I'm going to mention before the end of this video is why I am making this an issue. You're paying for 1 year hosting. Okay, then again, let's scroll up and you can see that this registrant is from Lagos. So these guys are from Nigeria. Okay, no problem being from Nigeria. When a website is serious about staying around for a long time, they will look for a unique name that any other brand anywhere is not answering. They are not going to be dragging or sharing a name with an established company elsewhere, especially an international company. Yeah, you agree with me on that? Okay, so this company does not seem to be serious, because there is another VIDEOMINE. There's another VIDEOMINE which exists, and they have been in business before these people's VIDEOMINE came up, and their own VIDEOMINE is videomind.io. Okay, not .org. Okay, so why are you sharing a name with an established brand if you are really serious about being in business? And let me prove to you that VIDEOMINE came before them by typing, let's search VIDEOMINE on whois, videomind.io. Let us see what's there so that we can know which website started existing before the other. We know that videomind.org, as we checked, started existing October the 22nd, 2021. Okay, so you see VIDEOMINE has been around longer. Okay, This is September the 26th, 2019 is when VideoMine.io has been existing, or over 2 years before VideoMind.org started existing. Okay, and you see that they paid for 3 years hosting, you see, from 2019 to 2022, meaning that probably they have the intention of sticking around longer. VideoMind.io has been in existence before VideoMind.org. So I'm thinking, why didn't you guys look for a more unique name if you want to be around for a longer period of time? Why hang on a name that is already existing with an existing brand? Okay, I don't know why they did that, but to me, is not good enough. Okay, and then again, let's go back to the website of videomind.org. Okay, then again, this company introduced themselves, told us about themselves, what they are about. They talked about their compensation plan and all that, but something is conspicuously missing, guys. These guys are faceless. These guys are faceless. Who is the CEO of this VM technology, this VideoMind technology? Would you suffer to build a company, register a company, and when it's time to advertise the company, you're hiding yourselves? You're hiding behind a website. You don't want your identity to be known. 9 out of 10 times when these guys don't want their identities to be disclosed is because they don't want their names on the front pages of the newspapers with wanted written in front of it. They don't want anybody to put a price on their name, on their face, looking for them, saying that they have scammed somebody because probably they have future political ambitions. They want to contest for governor, councillor, and they don't want any scam to be associated with their names. So they are working facelessly. You're committing your money to a website and you don't even know who's running it. The contractors here, they put together phone numbers, telegram groups, and all that. How long does it take to close down a telegram channel, a Facebook channel? How long does it take to break the SIM card of this MTN number and throw it away and nobody can reach it anymore? It doesn't take so much time. Where is your physical office address where people can walk in and make inquiries and have this air of legitimacy? None. No face, no address, imitating another website and yet collecting money from people and expecting them to believe that they're going to get paid. And now this company is just barely 2 months old, and for those that are getting paid, because I know my comment section is going to start buzzing, oh, I've been paid, they are paying. They will pay. It is rob Peter to pay Paul. They will pay for now. But when saturation comes, the number of people who are doing all these activities, watching videos and getting paid increases. The management cost is going to increase as well, and that is when you guys are going to stop being paid. And the MLM structure shows you that they are giving incentive to people who can help them to popularize this scam, bring in more people, more unsuspecting people, so that they can fall prey and the money circulation business can persist a while longer. Well, we've seen it happen with some of these similar sites in Nigeria, with NNU and the rest of them, where people pay, refer, and at the end of the day get paid to do kind of thing, and it goes under eventually. These are my red flags with this website. I'm going to rate them a 3/10. I'm feeling generous today. I mean, a 3/10. The reason I'm rating them if 3/10 is that the website is buggy. As you can see, when we started this video, I had to start closing some pop-ups coming up. Yeah, the guys are hustling. They want to make some money from advertisements, from pop-ups, from clicks, from impressions. So I see that they are hustling there and they're making some money as well. That might be a motivation for them to stay a little longer. They might last a little longer. But trust me, I don't see these websites staying around too long. By this time next year, I don't think we'll be talking about VideoMine existing anywhere else. You know, we've seen lots and lots of websites like this come up, collect your money, give you some tasks to do and pay you for those tasks and then disappear. I mean, who pays you 150 naira for watching a video? I don't know. I don't know. Well, let me see what you think about this website in the comment section below. Give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to a lot more people. Share this video within your social media circle. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so up to this point. Till I see you in the next video, I remain Victor Esibo. I'm signing out. It's bye for now. Point.